everybody, my name is Tommy, and today I'm going to be your substitute teacher on why do. So today we're going to study about why do bees die. So why do bees die? And today I'm going to tell you about it. First of all, the number of bees. Bees have died repeatedly every day because of mites, mites. In 1888, there were 5 billion bees roaming the earth. And today, 2023, there are only about 2 billion left roaming the earth, searching for honey. How did these bees die out eventually? How? Well, now let's look at the cycle of a bee dying and deflecting of the hive. First of all is when a baby bee is born. Before the worker bees can put some sap onto the holes of the hive, the mites will crawl in and they will start feeding on the bee. And when the sap is all closed off, they can eat naturally. Here is the part where they eat the bee. Second of all is the tragic event when a bee, when it is devoured, then it gets weakened. It still doesn't die, so it has enough energy to crawl out, and then the mites will come with it. When it has crawled out, the mites will be independent for the rest of their life. Here are some things they do before the mites die. They shoot out toxin. This toxin can harm bees, which will maneuver their brains. Or they will give out poison gas, which will deflect the bees to a different position. For example, this is the beehive. This is the beehive, okay? And this is the bee. And this is the mite. Okay, so we have the beehive, the bee, and the mite. So now, in the beehive, the bee is just standing there, okay? Now, mites are microscopic, so almost no one can see them, including bees. So, when a mite creeps up, it will shoot out poison gas, which will maneuver the bee's brains. Then the bee will go berserk, fly around the place until they finally go super crazy and jump out of their, and go with a slap bang out of their hive. That's how bees get defected. And then, when they go to the wild, they don't have any food to eat and die naturally. Now let's move on to the fact that we only have a small amount of bees left, according to the world. Now, scientists have to kill all the mites, which will cost billions of dollars because a small vacuum cleaner couldn't clean out all the mites in the world. They have to identify them, maneuver them, and somehow to slang their brains to come near us, so that whenever they come near us, we just could pull out that vacuum cleaner and vacuum them up. Also, it takes a lot of effort and billions of dollars to buy microscopes to see if it is exactly a mite. If it is, sweep it away. Okay, so you see, those are some really interesting facts about what I said. Why do bees die? Let's summarize. First of all, I told you the number of bees today. Then I told you about the cycle. Only has 3 cycles, 3 steps in that cycle, and then the things the mites do to the bees after they go out. They harm the bees by toxifying them, or they deflect the bees by using poisonous gas. And then I talked about the fact how much it would cost to clear out all the mites in the world. And like Albert Einstein always says, If all the bees in the world die out, then humans will come along soon after. That is the end. Thank you for listening and see you with the next topic. Bye.